Also, to look in the mirror. Okay. So bye. Breaking up. Gone.
Stop it.
Okay, here's a pretty picture of the airplane. See? There's the plane. And we're safe because we're in the back. So if it crashes, it goes and then we'd be safe. But you can't use that door because it has a red X on it. And this.
No, because you're in the water and it'll sink the plane faster and you'll die.
No. This is under the sea, and
Ew, you have a hair on your finger.
ew, that's Megan's hair.
That's not mine.
Wait, earlier you're disgusting. You blew my mouth. And see, that's a raft.
Dang, are we almost there yet?
I don't know. Ooh, that's a creepy bird. That's the Chinese language. I don't know.
Chinese.
Chinese. I don't know. It's Ding Dao. What?
Ding Dao?